Here's how to get a State Farm auto insurance quote online in 5 minutes. First, open up any web browser. Now head over to statefarm.com. Here, click on the option of Get a Quote. Select your product type. In this case, you want to select auto. Now enter your 5-digit zip code and click on Start a Quote. Here, you will have to enter your personal details. Enter your full name, then enter your street address, which includes city, state, and zip code. Now enter your date of birth, then type in your email address. Now select your policy start date. Scroll down a bit and find the option of I have read and acknowledged this disclosure and check this box. Now click on Start your quote. Now add your vehicle details. Type in your VIN. If you don't have it, enter the year, make, model, and current mileage. Indicate whether the vehicle is owned, financed, or leased, and note how many miles you typically drive to work or school each year. Then you will have to enter the household drivers. Enter name, birthday, and driver license number for yourself and any other household drivers. Now the system will render your baseline monthly price. Use the interactive on-screen sliders to instantly adjust your deductibles. Toggle add-ons like roadside assistance on or off and see your price adjust in real time. Once your final 5-minute quote is generated, you can hit Save Quote. The system will instantly email you a unique reference number and pass the file to nearest local neighborhood agent. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.